In the silence of the morning light, before the world begins to rise, there's a sound that cuts the quiet sky, a simple song, no disguise. No clock, no voice to tell it when, no reason written in the air. Yet every day it shows again, like something's calling it somewhere. And I lay here in between dreams and what I'm meant to be. Does the bird know that I don't know yet? It wakes with the sun, without fear or regret. No waiting for the perfect time, no need for a sign to go. What does the bird know that I don't know? I hit snooze on another chance, turn away from the dawn's first call, while it sings like it understands. There's no time to hesitate at all. Maybe it's not about the sky or flying higher than the rest. Maybe it's just the reason why it never fails the morning test. And I feel it deep inside. There's a truth I try to hide. Oh, what does the bird know that I don't know yet? It rises again, without doubt in its steps. No overthinking every move, no fear of moving slow. What does the bird know that I don't know? Maybe it's not chasing more, maybe it's just being sure that showing up is half the fight, and morning always brings the light. No applause, no one to see, still it shows up faithfully. A quiet lesson in the air. Was it always waiting there? Oh, now I think I know what I didn't know yet. It's not about waking early, it's the promise you don't forget. To rise again, to stand, to try, to face the day, not run. The bird just does what it must, and maybe so should I. So tomorrow when it calls my name, in the stillness, in the glow, I won't just hear the sound